fix Facebook app not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if Facebook app not working in Windows 11 and Windows 10, there are various type of solution you should apply in your system. And the first workaround is open your browser, any of them, Chrome or Firefox, go to settings, and here go to privacy and security, and under clear browsing data you should clear your browsing data, cookies and caches to fix these issues. Select it, choose time range all time, and click on clear data. It will clear your caches and cookies and browsing history as well, and check whether your error is Facebook app is working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Now we will repair Facebook app. Right click on start button, choose settings. From the left pane go to apps. Here choose installed apps, and here look for Facebook app. Scroll down and click on three horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Here you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. Click on repair, and if this app still is not working right, click on reset. The app's data will be deleted if you choose reset option. And if reset option not fix your issue, then simply uninstall app and again reinstall Facebook app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Go to Microsoft Store, and here look for Facebook app and simply download and install Facebook app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. That's all.